welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carla, the natural. I just wanted to say happy new year to everybody, loves. I'm wishing your family blessings, love, and happiness all 2021. So you guys, I just wanted to talk about what my goals are for 2021, for the channel, for our community, and for my hair. Loves, I appreciate all of your support all throughout 2020, sis. And let's go ahead and continue that into 2021. Loves, we are going to continue to grow our hair. We are going to continue to be healthy. My goals for 2021, I really want to just continue my hair growth journey, and I really want to push for including a lot more natural foods and natural products in my hair care regimen and in my personal life. So I actually went ahead and purchased a boxing bag. One of my close friends and I, we box all the time, and so we both got boxing bags for our homes. Y'all, this year I want to focus on doing more fitness and healthy eating things on my channel. I also want to do more vlogging because I know you guys really like the vlogs that I put out this past year, and I want to continue that into 2021. I've really been on this new healthy lifestyle. I don't like to say diet because then that just puts so much constraints on you. And I just feel like saying a lifestyle instead of a diet just makes it more doable and makes it more realistic for me, at least. So I am on this new healthy lifestyle journey, and that includes being sure that I take my multivitamins, making sure that I drink about 100 ounces of water a day, and continuing to eat healthy foods, meaning lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, and cutting out lots of carbs and things of that nature. So I've really been trying to pare down those things that I know are bad for me, just to continue to fuel my body with healthy things. So you guys, I am praying that 2021 is a better year than 2020. Now I just want to talk a little bit about the channel goals for this year. You guys, we hit 350 subscribers last year, and I'm so happy. I think towards the last half of last year, I was pretty consistent with video posting. I just want to continue with that consistent uploading and keeping you guys in the loop. I really appreciate you guys sticking through with me in those few months that I was gone for a while. I want to continue to post and continue to keep you guys updated. I think a way that I'm going to mitigate some of that is just to do a lot of vlogging, because I typically do a lot of fun things and a lot of cool things in my free time when I'm not at school. So I feel like doing a lot more vlogging for you guys will help, you know, kind of eliminate any of those gaps that I might be missing for. But you guys do know that your girl is in medical school. I am in my third year, and I have one more year left, so that is exciting. And so this year I kind of want to include more of my medical school lifestyle in here. I have a few videos that me and a couple of my medical school friends filmed a few months back, so I might roll those out. They're gonna be old videos, but I think some of that content is going to be great for this channel. I don't know if any of you guys are interested in going into the medical field, but I want to bring that aspect of my life to my channel. So I'm really excited, you guys, because I have some big plans for this channel for 2021. So stay tuned, because there is some exciting things coming this year to this channel. As always, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for always supporting me and continuing to watch my videos. You guys mean everything to me. And of course, sis and bro, because I know I say sis a lot, but I have some bros out there that support this channel, so I really appreciate you guys. So there is going to be some giveaways, of course, this year. I don't think I could have this channel without doing giveaways, because you guys are just amazing and you deserve them. So continue to stay updated with my videos. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I think I just gave you some pretty convincing arguments as to why this channel is going to be super lit this year. And while you're at it, go ahead and slide right over and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what your goals are for 2021. Thank you guys, love you, and I will see you here in my next one. Mwah.